So another day, another Triple J's day mga kapatid. No, we're back here today starting with this cube van from E1 Moving for the regular scheduled fleet maintenance. Dito go na nga si Bossing after niya lagyan to ng langis kasi isusunod naman natin itong Kia Soul from our Suzuki customer who's in for an oil change, filter, and free visual inspection to make sure that their vehicle is in tip-top shape. Ano naman pala tayo dito, no? Ford E350 na motorhome. Suzuki customer natin to. Summer comes, dinadala yung mga sasakyan nila dito to get it checked. Ngayon, pag winter na ulit, pabiyahe na ulit yung motorhome nila pauwi ng BC. Check lang ni Bossing ko yan, pang ilalim, oil change. Check lang natin yung mga visually na makikita natin. If ever may problema, pwedeng ayusin for today. Generator din pala ipapasabay niya. Oil change din daw natin. Ano naman tayo dito? Mazda CX-3. Dinala to ni customer. Papakabitan niya ng block heater, remote starters. This winter nga po pala, no, we have new remote starters in stock. So it's gonna be the 14 Evo two-way remote starter up to 6,000 feet in range. Meron silang another Q50 na turbo, suspension and steering check. May pull daw pag nasa highway on high speeds. Suspension niya may nagka-clunk sa mga bumps. So, i-check nila Bossing ko yan for today. Yung Ford Bronco, no? Andito pala yung pinakamalaking shareholder ng Triple J's. Bossing, pumasok ka din minsan, no?
Of course!
Yes! Kapatid natin to from Winnipeg. Yung oil change lang natin. Padaan siyang Saskatoon. So, oil change. Habang nagdidrain na lang si Bossing, chine-check niya yung Ford Bronco for steering, suspension issues, anything obvious na mga leaks, tsaka mga obvious na problema nung sasakyan. Dito pala tayong financing options for your winter tires, rims, and auto repairs for up to 24 months OAC. Meron naman si Bossing ko dito. For this case, pina-check nga ni Madam to, kumakalog yung manibela. So we checked the front end. We found that steering linkage dun sa steering columns already worn out. So we're replacing that today. So yun at dumating na nga yung pyesa ni Bossing ko dito from the US. It's a parking brake assembly. Kakabit na nga ni Bossing ko to. So yun nga mga kapatid, no? Another day, another Triple J's day. Outro muna tayo. Pagod na mga kalaban. Pahinga muna kami. Charis. Babang. Babush. Pare, may tanong ako sa'yo. Kumusta naman feeling na journeyman ka na ngayon?